Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm being over back Peacock, so I'm on CordCuttersNews.com here. So if you guys want to check this out, a link will be down below. So if you guys have Xfinity for your cable or internet provider, you guys need to pay attention to this. So it looks like the Peacock will no longer be free to Xfinity customers starting the summer, so you guys will not have to start paying for Peacock if you guys have Xfinity. So pretty interesting there. I'm not surprised by this move because recently Peacock got rid of their free tier option for new customers. So if you guys want Peacock, you guys will not have to pay to use Peacock. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this out here. So it says here, since Comcast streaming service launch, it has been free to Comcast Xfinity video customers and Comcast Xfinity internet customers with Flex. And that, as a if you guys don't know what Flex is, it's basically Comcast's streaming box. That's basically what that is. Now, according to an internal Comcast presentation posted on Reddit, that will end this summer. If you guys want to check out I will have a link to that Reddit post down below if you guys are interested in checking that out. According to that document, starting April 3rd, new Comcast customers will not get Peacock Premium for free. You guys will have to pay for it now. Peacock Premium is $5 a month, and you guys will get ads. So you guys can do that. So if you guys get Xfinity for your Comcast or your internet provider here soon, you guys want to start paying for Peacock Premium if you guys are interested in that. It's $5 a month with ads. It's $10 a month without ads. So they are offering you the Peacock Premium version, which is ads, for $5. So there you have it. You guys want to start paying for that if you're a new customer. And here's an update here. It says NBC Universal has confirmed to CordCuttersNews News that after April 3rd, new customers will be able to get 6 months free trial of Peacock. After that free trial, new customers will be billed for Peacock unless they cancel. So yeah. So if you're a new customer to Xfinity and Peacock, you guys will get a 6-month trial. Then after that, it's $5 a month after the 6-month trial. But that's for new customers only, and that's for the Xfinity offer there. So keep that in mind. Comcast says customers who currently have free Peacock Premium now will lose it on June 26, 2023. After that, if you still want to have access, you will need to pay, which is $5 a month with ads. Yeah. It says that notifications about this change will start rolling out February 13th, 2023. Today is February 13th as I'm recording this video here. From a source at NBC Universal, quote, as part of Peacock's growth strategy, we are shifting our focus to the premium offering, which is more reflective of the brand and the unique experience we can bring subscribers, end quote. Our source went on to say, quote, focusing on the premium tier allows Peacock to create the best experience for a majority of viewers, remain competitive in the marketplace, and deliver unique content across all genres, end quote. This comes as Comcast recently stopped offering a free version of Peacock to non-Comcast customers. In the past, you could get a stripped down version of Peacock for free. Now you must pay for premium. According to the most recent numbers, Peacock has 20 million paying customers with 30 million total active users, including its free accounts. That compares to 46 million subscribers to Paramount Plus, 73.7 million Disney Plus subscribers and 39.4 million Hulu subscribers. To help grow Peacock, NBC has recently been moving some shows from NBC to Peacock, including the long-running Days of Our Lives show. NBC Universal hopes this will drive more subscribers to Peacock. So, yeah. Now though, that seems no one will be able to use Peacock without paying soon. So yeah. So basically, if you guys want to use Peacock, you guys will have to pay for it. Basically, doesn't matter if you guys get the premium or the ad-free version. Doesn't matter. You guys will have to pay for Peacock no matter what. There is no more free tier for the new customers to Peacock. There is no more free tier, so that's gone. If you guys have the Peacock premium offer through Xfinity, you guys will start paying for that this summer after June 26th. So yeah, you guys can cancel that at any time, of course. But like I said, Peacock is cheap as fuck. It's like $5 a month with ads and $10 without ads. It's very cheap, and they got a lot of good stuff on there. So, and it also says here that NBC has been moving some shows over to Peacock, like Days of Our Lives and stuff like that. So that's a way to get hopefully that's a way for people to get into the door to pay for Peacock, you know. If you guys want the best experience on Peacock, you guys have to pay for it. Obviously, that's pretty true for all streaming services out there. If you guys want the best experience, you guys have to pay for it. So, yeah, I mean, I'm not surprised though, but it is what it is. It's gonna suck for current Comcast customers. It is gonna suck for them though that they've had this free Peacock premium offer since it launched, but now you'll have to start paying for it this summer. So it is what it is. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you like me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.